interface. In that you have to check the table available, not available. So how to check the created table in DJANGO admin interface. If we start server, go to admin, it will ask username and password. Before that, first you have to register these tables into admin.py, then only it will be visible. We have to register model class in one file is there, admin.py. So in your app level, admin.py file is there. So here on left side in test app, what is the file? Is it there? Admin.py. Yes. Open this admin.py. They are asking directly, boss, register your models. What is your model class name? Employee. That one you have to register here. What is the module name? Admin. Direct it is the module name, already imported statement. Admin dot site dot register is the function. What is your model class name? Employee. But you have to tell this file emo admin.py, but this employee class is available where? Models.py. So what is required? Import statement. What we can write? From where it is available? Test app dot what is the module name? Models. Import. What is the class name? Employee. Compulsory, otherwise you are getting error. Because this employee class is available models. It is available test app. So compulsory import these two commands you can mention. This is the way of register your model. Then how to check the admin? For that user password required, create one super user. Admin.site.register, give the table name. If we want to see the admin, you have to create one super user there. Creation of super user to log in to the admin interface. How to create super user? Py manage.py create super user. The command is py manage.py create super user is the command. Execute this command. It is asking usernames and passwords, mail ID, either dummy details you can give. User created successfully. By using that username password, login. So if you are not registered, the model is not available to the admin interface. Compulsory you have to register. Okay. Copy the command. And it will ask some details. You can give a dummy details. Create super user. Username. If I am not provided anything, leave blank to use And I'm created so many times it is asking, but it is asking username, you can give. I'm not given anything, by default it will consider Mahesh. Email, either dummy, abc@gmail.com. Password, మళ్ళీ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇదిగోండి. This password is too common. And every time I'm using Sunny, that's it is telling too common. So you can create a yes. ఇదిగోండి. Super user created successfully. Now start the server. How to start the server? Run server. Server is started. This is the system IP address. This is the port number. What is URL pattern? Admin. We have only one URL. ఇదిగోండి అసలు లేదనుకోండి, you need to ask, it will tell. Okay. Suppose, sir, we are getting, some people are getting errors. I'm given app. App URL is there. లేదు కదా, అప్పుడు it will display, బాబు you have only one option. What is the option? Admin కదా. So any I can use, it will do. You have only one URL, you can use must and should admin. So what is the username? Mahesh. Password Sunny123. Login. ఇదిగోండి. What is the table name? Employees. Open this. How many employees are there? 0. Add employee 101. Employee name Om Pradanga Sunny. Employee salary 12. And another, if you go to the studies at the puja, you are giving Om na first or swastik symbol. Alage first time Sunny you can use. Everything will goes fine. Mumbai. Save. This one employee object is added. Sir, why it is displaying employee object? I want to display number, name, salary, address. That story later I will tell. You have to add 102. Bunny. Salary. Address. Like that you need to add. First employee, second employee. How values are coming? I will tell this process, but just to see this, how it is coming means, I have to, there are some stories there, later I will explain. Present not required. See, class, employee, admin dot. What it is later I will tell. Okay. Present you don't worry about this. List underscore display. Number, name, sal, address. Save, refresh. Now, yeah. Employee, comma, employee, admin. Come here, refresh. And employee number, name came, not came. Yes, that is also possible, but this is upcoming story. Present వద్దండి, I will tell what about this is cinema later on. Present at up to here, bus. How to create table, how to register and see this. py manage.py, create super user. After that, start server and log into admin interface. So compulsory you can use URL up to admin. Enter whatever username password created, enter it. It will be done. The process up to here. You can do that one. So that list display, that story later I will tell. So here nothing I'm not doing, just model class, make migrations, migrate, super user, login. అదే చేసింది. డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్, మూసారా పుస్తకాలు అప్పుడే? డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్, ఇవాళ బుధవారం కాదుగా, ఇవాళ ఎగ్గా. ఓహో, డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ మేక్ మైగ్రేషన్స్ అండ్ మైగ్రేట్. Sir, what is the difference? Yeah. Make migrations is responsible to generate the SQL code for Python model class, whereas migrate is responsible to execute that SQL code so that the tables will be created in the database. So make migrations just converted your Python class to SQL query. That SQL query can be injected to database by using the migrate command. So up to here I am telling I created super user. I added the data to the table also. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ table లో data also displayed. Backend. This process you know manually. Next your task just to read the data display to the end user. Whatever data is there. Read the data from the database and display for the end user. అక్కడ two records ఉన్నాయి. The two records ని you can display in the HTML file in the form of table, number, name, address, salary. Bas. Because up to here I explained all the steps how to create project, application, model class, make migrations, migrate, register admin, create super user, login admin, add the data. Only you have to step read, create one templates folder, take one HTML file, display the data to the console. Sorry, HTML file, not console. That is your requirement. So take one new project. Steps should be same common. Whatever I provided, no. First, అక్కడ ఉంది ఇదిగోండి. Create project, app, add, models, make ఇదంతా సోది స్టోరీ కాబట్టి అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ కమాండ్ మేక్ మైగ్రేషన్స్. దెన్ ఇది కూడా నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. నెక్స్ట్ డైరెక్ట్గా మైగ్రేట్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ రిజిస్టర్. నెక్స్ట్ create super user. Next log into that insert. After that create one HTML file. How to create HTML file? You know, templates folder, test folder, HTML. Read the data, display in the form of table. If possible, that you can try. So that is the basic introduction of what is the model class, make migrations, migrate and SQL code, all the story. So your next class is on Monday is our next class. Tomorrow onwards holidays, enjoy శీతాకాలం హాలిడేస్. థర్స్డే అన్నానా? టుమారో ఒకరోజు ముందే వచ్చింది సెలవు. ఎంజాయ్. మార్నింగ్ క్లాసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. Who are attending my morning NumPy class, Python class 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock classes are there. Only evening 7:30 DJANGO class not there. Morning classes as usual. NumPy, Python classes are there. Only the 7:30 class I cancelled. So next your class is on Monday. Enjoy these 4 days. నేనే. So online students, tomorrow onwards no classes. Monday is our next class, online students. ఏ క్లాస్? మార్నింగ్ ఆఫ్లైనే, సేమ్ క్లాసెస్. సరే, బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. మండే we will continue the classes.